gosh. Look at that. All right, so I'm here with Randy and we're picking up a 1970 Eldorado that's been buried in this barn for how long?
Early 80s.
Since the early 80s?
82 or 83.
Just been there for quite some time.
Yeah.
What's the history on the car?
Well, I can remember driving it and it drove like a boat, kind of floated.
It's a Cadillac.
And it had 400 horsepower, 500 cubic inch engine in it. It drove and rode nice, but he wanted a newer one, so he just parked that one.
Just parked it, huh?
Just parked it.
Did he get a new one?
He got a newer one, yeah.
Well, we got some work to do, so let's get moving some things. Key in it?
Yeah, no trunk key.
Yeah, she's buried in there, so yeah, we got some stuff to move.
This side.
Heavy like that. See if she'll hold there. Here she comes. Right out of that ground, dude. Just holding there. This one right here, this is true barn find. Oh my God. Dude, wait till you guys see the inside of this thing. Keep her going, it's like that. Keep her going. Keep her going. Seeing sunlight for the first time. I should be able to winch it on from here. Ew. Ew. Oh my God, you guys are not gonna believe what the interior looks like. One quick little juicy juice in it. I think that's all she wrote, dude. It's the last time she ever held air. We got her loaded. It's so greasy. Well, we got the Eldorado loaded up, Randy. What do you think the car is gonna clean up?
I do.
Yeah?
It's in better shape than I thought.
You never know what kind of condition they're in sitting there in the barn.
I haven't looked at it in a long time.
Next time I see you, we'll be looking at a clean car. Awesome, Rand. All right, so we're back to the shop with the Eldorado. We're gonna tow it right on out of here and then pull it into the shop. And then once we get in the shop, we'll open all the doors, pop the hood, and see what's going on inside. The old trusty van's back at it again. Gonna give her the beans. Put it in drive, and when it gets to snug, then I'm gonna extract the winch. I'll have you pull me just a little and I'm gonna check the, oh my God. I'm gonna check the brakes. Yeah, they don't exist. I don't think I'm gonna roll. I'm on 2 flat tires. Just pull me right on in the shop. Yeah, keep going, we're all right. Frame on ground right now. Go for it. Keep it going. I think the frame's off the ground. Oh my God, what's that noise? Hold on. Yeah, it's just that low ass trailer hitch. All right. As you can see, these tires are pretty flat. Moving around the shop is not easy. Getting it out of the trailer wasn't easy, so we're gonna put on some skates so it is easy. Come on, there you go. All right guys, so we got the Eldorado in the shop and now I'm gonna open up the doors and show you the inside. I've been dying to show you what this looks like. Oh my God. Definitely looks like something's been living in here. I mean, there is nuts everywhere on the ground. I've never seen these nuts in a car before, so I don't know what was eating these. If you guys have an idea, let me know. It looks like it's all in pretty good condition. It's all red. I love the red interior. Red on white's one of my favorite combinations. Now let's pop the hood and see what's under there. we got the hood popped. It's got the massive 8.2 liter motor. I see it's got a nest up there on the cowl, and we also got a nest right here in the battery tray, and we got a nest right here behind the grill. All right, so after I wash the car, we'll get this engine bay all degreased and washed down as well. No, it's the driving key. Did he hide it in here maybe? He said the old man drove it and then just parked it. I don't know if we'll be able to get into the trunk, so maybe when we're doing the interior, we'll figure out a way to get this open, but for now, I'm not gonna worry about it. Let's check out the exterior, see what we got going on. For the exterior of the car, as you could tell, this car has been sitting in a barn for decades. It's just piles of dirt. Look at this, man. I don't know what this is, if that's a claw or if it's a tooth, but definitely a body part of some sort. Unfortunately, for the rag top is not in best condition like the rest of the car. The rest of the car is actually in really nice condition from what I see. We don't know that until we wash. You never know the true vehicle till it's clean. All right, so I'm excited to see this transformation. So enough said, let's get into this detail. All right, we got the Caddy all washed up, and now that we get to see the paint under all that filth, it looks like this paint's pretty faded and stained up in some spots, so we got ourselves a lot of work. I'm gonna buff and polish this whole car and try to get the best I can out of this paint. And then after I polish this car up, get the chrome polished up, and then after the chrome, we're gonna get on the interior. Did what we can with the paint and the chrome. Let's hop in the inside. Oh my God. Probably start off with vacuuming it before we take these seats out. All the other cars we did, the seats have been rusted to the floor or just right out of the floor. I think this interior is gonna really clean up nice, so I'm excited to see what this turns out to be. Oh my God. right, so we got the Eldorado all finished inside and out. Before I show you, I want to let you know I kind of did make a deal with the guy. It's not official yet. I still got to get a hold of him, but I'll keep you updated on what happens. But I think I made a good deal on this car. If we do make a deal on this car, there'll be some more future videos with it. We'll get it running and driving. I think this car would be neat to go on the road with. For how many years this has been sitting in that barn, this is actually the most intact car that I've done so far. I actually didn't know, which I thought was interesting, is that this car is front wheel drive. I thought this thing was gonna be a burnout machine, but I guess it's a front wheel drive burnout machine. Stay tuned for next week. We're picking up another barn find, so I'll catch you guys on the next detail.